Come and spend the day with me.
Petition.
Second day of graduation.
Ikaw singer ka.
We were just practicing our graduation song here, and after that, we need to shoot our AVP. And here's our last and final graduation rehearsal at malalaman na namin dito yung mga Latin honors naming lahat.
Maglala.
Hindi na ako tinatakaso. Nahihilig tuloy ako!
Their thesis title is Challenges of Disinformation. Residents perception of their ability to navigate manipulated media using the Explore, Engage, and Empower model in Purok 2, Barangay Sampaloc, Apalit, Pampanga. Encarnacion, JC, J. Maglalang, Karin, G. Perez, E, and Tinla, Mark,
And after
Gabriel.
that, syempre, kailangan namin mag-take ng mga TikTok videos and wear our graduation togas. After graduation rehearsal, umuwi agad ako sa bahay namin para sana i-prank si mama. Kaso, ina-expect niya na may award ako, kaya hindi ko na siya na-prank ng maayos.
During the 6th International Research and Innovation Summit 2026.
Wala na yan.
And now, syempre, ginagawa ko na yung hair and makeup ko for the actual graduation. Tada! Feel na feel. After nyan, nagbiyahe lang kami.
Hindi na siya kilala.
Dumiretso na agad kami nyan sa venue and here's my outfit. Pak, sino ka dyan?
Karil G. Magna Cum Laude. Best in Thesis Awardee. Research paper author during the 6th International Research and Innovation Summit 2026. Rada Ira R. Magna Cum Laude.
Ma.
Best in Thesis in Broadcasting, we have Encarnacion JC, Maglalang Karil, Pinlak Mark Gabriel, and Perez Nicky. Barangay Sampaloc, Apalit, Pampanga.
Here's my outfit of the day. Super pretty. Kahit last minute ko na siyang nakita sa online. Lastly, here's our graduation song. College isn't easy as I thought it was, but with my college buddies, everything was bearable. And here's a small appreciation to you guys. Hope you like it.